How much walking do I have to do each day to lose weight? According to a study, taking brief walks following meals can aid in reducing your blood sugar levels. Specifically, walking for 15 minutes after breakfast, lunch, and dinner is more effective in improving blood sugar levels than a solitary 45-minute walk at any other time of the day. Incorporating walking into your daily routine is a highly accessible and low-risk method of exercise that can aid in weight loss. One of the greatest benefits is that it requires no special equipment and is completely free of cost. All you need is a comfortable pair of shoes to start walking your way towards a healthier you. Simply walking may not suffice for weight loss, unless you're covering extensive distances. If your objective is to shed some pounds, it's essential to learn how to walk effectively for weight loss. General health benefits of walking. Walking offers numerous health benefits, which include lowering blood sugar. Taking brief walks following meals can aid in decreasing your blood sugar levels. Research indicates that walking for 15 minutes superscript 1 after each meal has a more significant impact on improving blood sugar levels than a single 45-minute walk conducted at any other time of the day. Strengthens your muscles. Walking, particularly on hilly terrain, staircases, or a treadmill set to an incline, can aid in enhancing the muscle strength in your legs. To further improve your leg strength, you can incorporate exercises such as leg curls, lunges, and squats, or alternate your routine with cross-training activities like jogging and cycling. Relieves joint pain. Engaging in walking activities can provide joint protection by lubricating the muscles that support the hips and knees. Additionally, it can help alleviate arthritis pain. In fact, walking for 5 to 6 miles on a weekly basis may aid in the prevention of arthritis. Boosts immune function. Incorporating walking into your routine can help decrease your likelihood of catching a cold or the flu. A study that involved 1,000 individuals aged 18 and above during a flu outbreak demonstrated that those who engaged in moderately paced walks lasting 30 to 45 minutes daily had 43% fewer sick days and fewer upper respiratory tract infections. Additionally, if they did fall ill, their symptoms were milder in comparison. In the event that you reside in a colder region or cannot venture outside, it is worthwhile to consider indoor walking or utilizing a treadmill to reap the health benefits associated with walking. Boosts energy. Going for a walk can be a more effective means of boosting your energy levels than drinking coffee when you are feeling tired. This is because walking increases the flow of oxygen and the production of hormones such as norepinephrine, epinephrine, and cortisol, which can enhance your energy levels. Improves your mood. Engaging in a 30-minute brisk walk 3 times per week can aid in reducing anxiety, low mood, and depression, which can support your overall mental health. Moreover, it can increase self-esteem and decrease symptoms of social withdrawal or isolation. How to start walking more. For individuals seeking to obtain the weight loss advantages of walking but unsure of how to begin, the subsequent advice may be helpful. 1. Create a shape-up walking plan. Developing a weekly walking regimen with a structured plan that integrates variation between workouts can promote consistent progress. As you begin to notice changes in your muscle tone, energy levels, and endurance, your motivation to continue walking will likely increase. 2. Invest in fitness trackers. These gadgets can provide the incentive to increase physical activity, as they track the number of steps taken and distance traveled, which can be accessed via an app on your smartphone. Walking gadgets can help encourage consistent physical activity, as they provide a reason to utilize them. Whether it's through speed, heart rate, or activity monitoring, or by using the health app on your smartphone, incorporating these tools can make your walks more enjoyable. Experts suggest setting a daily step goal between 6,000 to 10,000 and exploring additional opportunities to incorporate more steps into your daily routine beyond your scheduled walks. 3. Keep a walking journal. Whether through an app, computer, or on paper, it's possible to track your walking progress by logging your steps, mileage, or minutes in a journal. Keeping track and tallying up your achievements every week can be an excellent motivator. By setting goals, you may even find yourself walking more frequently to witness your progress. 4. Purchase new workout gear. Acquiring fresh exercise attire can serve as a strong motivator to engage in more physical activity, and after obtaining them, there will be a desire to utilize them. To sustain motivation during chilly temperatures, it's recommended to purchase layered and warm clothing. On rainy days, one can continue their walking routine by acquiring a waterproof jacket or an umbrella. For warm weather, breathable and lightweight clothing with sweat-wicking properties, as well as a hat, can be helpful. Possessing appropriate clothing for varying weather conditions helps to avoid deferring walks merely due to unfavorable weather. 5. Choose the right time. Organize your walks by selecting a regular time that is convenient for you. While some individuals favor morning walks to circumvent the interruptions that frequently occur throughout the day, others may opt for an afternoon stroll or an evening walk to conclude their day. The crucial aspect is to choose a time that is feasible for you to adhere to. How much walking do you need to do to lose weight? For individuals seeking sustainable weight loss, losing 1 pound per week is a realistic goal. Walking is a straightforward and gentle approach to sustain long-term weight loss. At the onset of a new walking regimen, you may burn more weight since a heavier body tends to utilize more calories. However, as you shed weight, the pace of weight loss from walking might decelerate. To lose weight through walking, it is advisable to walk at a brisk pace. Engaging in walking activities for 30 to 90 minutes multiple times per week can assist with weight loss. Covering a distance of 1.5 to 2 miles or taking 3,000 to 4,500 steps can be achieved by walking at a brisk pace for 30 minutes. Though the walking duration may vary, the weekly total walking time should add up to at least 150 minutes. It's important to maintain consistency by avoiding skipping more than one day, as it aids in calorie burning, metabolism improvement, and fosters the establishment of healthy new routines. During days when walking is not scheduled, integrating strength training exercises is recommended. For individuals new to walking, commencing with shorter walking durations and gradually augmenting the time spent walking as fitness level increase is advisable. What do I do if I can't walk for 30 minutes at a time? In the event of a constrained schedule that makes it challenging to engage in a 30-minute walk, splitting it up into several 10 to 15-minute walks at a brisk pace is a viable alternative. How many calories can I burn by walking for 30 minutes? Walking for 30 minutes at a brisk pace can result in burning approximately 100 to 300 calories, which is contingent on your weight. Greater calorie expenditure can be expected for individuals with more weight. Increasing the number of days per week dedicated to walking can raise the total calories burned. How to burn more calories while walking. 1. Monitor your heart rate. Wearing a heart rate monitor while walking can aid in tracking calorie expenditure. To establish an average heart rate, wearing a heart rate monitor or fitness tracker for a few workout sessions is recommended. Subsequently, aiming for 5 to 10 beats above the baseline heart rate during walking workouts can increase calorie burn. 2. Workout in intervals. Intervals workouts entail alternating between higher and lower intensity exercises to optimize calorie burn. Engaging in higher intensity exercises results in more calories burned than adhering to the same lower intensity for an equal amount of time. This phenomenon is attributed to the afterburn effect or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, whereby calories continue to be burned even after the workout is over. An exemplar exercise routine could comprise of alternating between speed walking for 30 to 60 seconds and walking at a regular pace for 60 seconds. 3. Add in hills. Incorporating hills or increasing the incline on a treadmill are effective approaches for elevating calorie burn during a walk. More arduous walking terrains enhance the intensity of the workout and consequent calorie expenditure. 4. Use walking poles. Utilizing walking poles during walks can activate the upper body and amplify calorie burn. In addition to this, walking poles alleviate the pressure on knees and enhance walking pace by reducing perceived exertion, which implies that walking feels less strenuous, although there is no physical distinction. 5. Add resistance. Incorporating resistance while walking can increase calorie burn. Wearing a weighted vest is a favorable choice as it distributes the added weight evenly. Alternatively, using light hand weights is another option. It is advised to avoid ankle weights as they can alter your natural gait. It's crucial to bear in mind that losing weight in a sustainable way takes time when embarking on a weight loss journey. Walking is a perfect exercise to assist in losing weight and enhancing overall health. Walking briskly for 30 minutes a day can help you burn 100 to 300 calories, with the exact number depending on your weight. Increasing the intensity of your walking workout can further boost your calorie burn. Ensure you strike a balance between walking and rest in your workout routine, as overexertion can result in burnout, soreness, or injuries. If you are a beginner, start with shorter and slower walks, then gradually increase the duration or intensity of your walks over time. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.